Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can create a new user on a Windows 11 machine. Now there's different ways you can do it. Let's look at some of the ways we can add a new user. I'm gonna open the settings, so just search for settings. Okay, once you open your settings, go to accounts, scroll down, and then you'll see other users here. Click on other users, add account. Now if you have the email for the person you want to add, you can add it here, and if you don't have that information, you can go with this option. Click on this. Okay, again click add user without a Microsoft account, then just type the user here. That's going to be the username. Then put in a password. And you need to select your security questions here. Okay, once you have that information, click next, and the user is added. Now once you have the user added, if you wanted to add the user to the admin group, or if you wanted the user to be an administrator on this machine, you can go back to this. You can go to the settings again, and then accounts, add the user, then you select the new account. Then here you have the option to change account type. Right now it's a standard user. You can add this as an administrator here, and then click OK. Okay, we'll look at the next way to add a user. You'll need to open the command prompt as administrator. So let's search for command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Yes. Inside the command prompt, type this command, net user, then the name of the new user. Let's go with Jen, then their password. Okay, 1, 2, 3, then space /add. Okay, the user has been added. If you want to make this user an administrator, you'll use net local group administrator leaders, and then the name of the user, which was Jen. Add. Okay, so let's look at the last method. So the last method is using the computer management. I'll search for computer management. Okay, I'll go to local users and groups users. So I just added these 2 users here. Now we can add another user here. In this window, right click, new user, then type in the name of the user. So let's call the user Mike. You can add this information and whatever you need to add here, but you'll need a password. Create, close, and there is your user. You can delete the users from here. For instance, I can delete the user Jane or the user Joe. Right click, delete. You'll get a pop-up warning, read your warning, then click yes if you're sure you want to delete. And again, we can use the settings. So if I go to settings, okay, accounts, other users, yeah, the user here, you can remove. So for instance, you can remove Mike, delete account, and okay. So that's all for this video. That's how you can add and remove users on a Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.